Hello everyone, welcome to Canic Coffee. Here we have a Napa Bunny professional espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it was leaking from the groove head and the piston rod, which we end up replacing the arm, the gauge, the nuts for the side glass. These are the ones that you see here. As you can see on these ones, they're really bad, and there was no way we could just put this back. As well as we did an overhaul arm kit. These ones are really, especially this one. This is completely rough. There's no way you can actually remove it. So as you can see, the machine now working, no leaks. And let's test it out, starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully the grind that I choose for this shot is perfect, so we can see a good shot coming out of this machine. If not, we're just gonna still drink coffee. A little too fast. The crema might need to be more finer to give that extra layer of crema. But as you can see, working perfectly. And now for the steamer. Working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for preparing Canic Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.